Hi everyone. So today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about square covers on Teachers Pay Teachers. So when you upload files to Teachers Pay Teachers, you know that if you upload a PDF or a PowerPoint or a Word document or whatever you use, that it's automatically generating thumbnails for you. And those thumbnails just are little pictures of your PDF, of your actual document, of the actual resource that you upload. So a lot of people have been asking me about the square covers because a lot of the products that you're seeing, especially recently in the last few months, they really have been, there's been a big push to go to those square covers. And basically you're getting the most bang for your buck. So as teachers are searching through products, these are showing up. It's just a little bigger. If you're uploading your own thumbnails, it's a little crisper. You'll notice that it's nice and clean looking as well. So with that being said, I do want to talk about this. So just so you have an example of what I'm talking about here. So this is obviously a square cover. This right here is a square cover. This is one of my older products that I did not create a square cover for. This one is a, just that regular, rectangular cover like we used to see quite a bit of on Teachers Pay Teachers. So I do want to quickly talk a little bit about how to do that. So I'm just going to open up a couple of documents here. First of all, we are going to work with this file today. So this file right here, this is a math lesson that I just uploaded last week. So this is my finished publisher file. It doesn't matter if we're working in Publisher or PowerPoint, pretty much the same thing for both. So I am going to open up two different files. So first of all, you want to have your file open that you are ready to upload, or this is my publisher file. Obviously, I would create a PDF before I upload this, but this is the file that I want to use here. The other one that I'm going to open up is I'm going to open up another publisher or a PowerPoint, whatever you decide to use. And I'm going to change the file size of that page. So we go to Page Design at the top. We're going to go to Size. And we're going to go to Create New Page Size. I would use 10 by 10. If you're going to use anywhere from 8 to 8 by 10 by 10 is a perfect size. If you go any smaller than that, it's not going to be great. If you go bigger than that, it's not going to work for you either. So I would highly suggest just starting at 10 by 10. Okay, so I'm going to head back over to my resource. I'm going to take this cover page that I've already designed in here, and I'm going to go back over to my square cover, and I'm going to paste that in there. All right, so now it's just a little bit of play. Just go back and forth until you actually get this thing lined up and inside of that square. So I'm just going to stretch things around. I'm going to move some things around. I may need to make some things bigger, make some things maybe just a little bit smaller as well. So we're going to change things around. Obviously, I don't want these to be square. I want those to be the regular page size. So that looks pretty good. I need to move this around so it fits inside of my square cover as well. So it's pretty much as easy as that. I usually already am creating some sort of cover within my actual product, so when teachers print it out, they can see that. So basically, I just take that and then I just tweak things around a little bit and put it in this, put it in the square cover. Okay, so don't make it too complicated. I would say that you don't want to make sure. I wouldn't make two separate ones. I would just, like I said, copy and paste and bring that over into this new square file. Okay, so that looks pretty good. It looks like I need to shrink this down just a little bit there. Perfect. Okay, all right. So now at this point, I'm not sure. I am pretty sure that a lot of people use the Snipping Tool. So to use the Snipping Tool, that's on all of your computers. It's this little guy right down here. We're going to open that up, and now I'm just going to snip. Oh, before I do that, I should say this. You want to zoom in as much as possible without cutting off any of the edges. So I'm just going to zoom like right about there. Perfect. So we want to keep it as much of the quality as possible. So I'm going to now open up the Snipping Tool, and I'm going to snip this entire cover just like that. I'm going to save that into a file. I already went through that already, but you're going to save each one of those as a picture. I would save it as a ping if I were you, the PNG file. All right, so I went through and I did this for 4 pages already. Okay, so here's one. This is just basically telling me what the product is. So you'll see that these are the 4 pages. So I already went through and I did all of those. I saved those as a ping file. I saved those as a picture file. So now I'm going to go back over to Teachers Pay Teachers, and let's just pretend that I'm uploading a new product here. So The first thing is first, when you upload a new product, you're just going to upload your PDF up here or whatever file size or file type you have. So I uploaded my PDF already. If you scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, there's a couple of options here. So it says let Teachers Pay Teachers generate images from the file. So it automatically pulls those thumbnails from your actual product file. Now what you'll notice is that it does pull all of them in there. However, what you'll notice is, and maybe you have seen this in the past, that it does diminish the quality just a bit. So it's not clear, it's not crisp as I want it, which is one of the reasons that I actually make my own covers with the square cover file that we just talked about. So instead of doing this, we're going to do the upload your own thumbnail images. Click on that, and now I'm just going to upload each one of those pages that I just created and then snipped. Okay, so I'm going to upload those, and I know a lot of people have said to me, it just seems like a lot of work to make these, and that is true. But I think this is, this is like the final touches that you want to put on this. Those small little things that you can do. I think that's going to make a big difference for you as far as selling those products. So we want to make sure that we have, something clear and crisp that people are going to see as they scroll through. So now that I've uploaded those 4 files here, it does not show you what they look like. Okay, so when you do the let TpT generate the images from your product file, it does show you, but when you upload your own, you don't see it until you actually submit. So I'm going to submit this. Looks like it's processing, and then we'll see, hopefully. Yes, okay, so there it goes. Perfect. So now I can see that I have my square covers uploaded here. Right? So if you have any questions, or if you're not quite sure of something that I said, or if I went too quickly over a certain part, let me know and I'll be happy to help you out. But that is creating square covers.